Hello everyone. US market are falling and the Indian stock market is showing resilient and it's holding strong onto the ground. Is this the sign of the worst behind us? Let's understand this. While the US market, especially Nasdaq, witnessed sharp selling off, the Indian stock market have shown surprising resilience. One of the key reasons behind the strength is the series of reforms that the government has come into the play, the GST push and the Indian tax cut at the time of budget in the recent budget. But let's be clear, in the long run, markets will definitely pay for earnings growth, not just, you know, the policies that the government is coming through. At the end of the day, what matters is companies, how they are managing their products or their uh, team efficiently. Government policies obviously can create the momentum, but at the end of the day, earnings growth of individual stocks or companies will decide the stock's journey. We have already seen how mid cap and small cap have bounced back in the last 5 to 6 sessions, giving investors a kind of a relief rally. But as investors, you have to be cautious because there are a lot of stocks which are kindly overvalued. Even after a huge drawdown that we saw in the past 4 to 5 months, there are still stocks which are overvalued, and going from here on or going or increasing the share price from here is not going to end the stock prices at a lower level. Rather, they are going to get overvalued as the time passes, so you have to be aware of that. And all this indicates that the downside is likely limited unless a major catalyst appears, is what I think. If you think differently, you can please comment down on the section below. The bigger message is here: stay cautious, and as an investor you always have to stay cautious in the stock market. There are a lot of companies which are available at cheap prices. You have to figure out yourselves, you have to screen it through. Whenever you see strong fundamentals, uh, just go ahead, and if you think that the stock prices that you are looking at has come to a level where it's easy to go ahead and buy, and you see the bargain, just close your eyes and just buy ahead. That's where long-term wealth is created. The worst may be behind us, and these are short-term noises. In the long term, I think uh, maybe consumers or any other sectors will obviously do well. Thank you.